Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about the arc length. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to find first the derivative of y. So this one we have like this. So we have number 10 over number 3, and we have s to the power of negative 1 over 3. So we apply the formula in here. That is about the integration from number 1 to number 8. And we have the square root of 1 plus first derivative of y to the power of 2 ds. Now I will put this one gone here. So if we put this one go inside the power number 2, we have 100 over 9, and we have s to the power of negative number 2 over 3 ds. So for this one, we can write s to the power of negative number 2 over 3 like this. So we can do about common denominator. And we have like this. So the square root of s to the power of 2 over 3, that should be like this. Because the square root, that is about 1 over 2. 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 over 3. That's why we have 1 over 3. And now we have s to the power of 2 over 3 plus 100 over 9 ds. So for this one, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of s to the power of 2 over 3 plus 100 over 9. So we put the power 2 for the both sides, and we have u squared equals to s to the power of 2 over 3 plus 100 over 9. Now we do first derivative for the both sides. U squared, we have 2u. This one we have 2 over 3 s to the power of negative 1 over 3 ds. Because we don't have 2 over 3 in here, so we divide both sides by 2 over 3, and we have 3u du. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 1, so we put number 1 gone here, and number 1, that's it, from this bounds in here. So we have u equals to the square root of 109 over number 3 when s equals to number 8. So we put number 8 gone here. And we have u equals to number 2 with the square root 34 over number 3. So we have the new bounds from the square root 109 over number 3 with number 2 with the square root 34 over number 3. So the square root we change by u. This one with ds, that is about this one. So we change by 3u du. So the interaction of u square, 3u square, we have u to the power of 3, and we put the bounds. And now we have the final answer. $16.59. This is the end. Thank you for watching.